The new PMP exam. This title will tell you that there are two exams, either the old one or the new one. We are all now after 2021 targeting or having the new PMP exam, and in our course we are focusing on having the new material, and we are only explaining the new content material by the PMI. This is an authorized material built by the PMI, distributed among all the certified instructors. Who's not explaining this material, definitely he is not authorized, or you cannot trust the material. It might be good for the exam what they explain, but I'm not sure. To make sure that you will pass the exam or you're taking the latest material, so this is the material that you want, built on three pillars actually. The first one is the technical project management. The second one is the leadership styles and leadership requirements. The third one is the strategic and business management. Those three pillars, what we call project management talent triangle. Those are the three pillars that you will be building your project management skills and techniques upon. And the new material is built on three development approaches. Previously, the project management was built on the traditional project management, which is process-based, and I will talk about that. Today, we are talking about three different development approaches. The first one is the predictive, waterfall, traditional, what we usually using in the construction projects. The second one is the agile project management, while the agile project management is the modern project management, oriented to the software, IT, website design, game development, and whatsoever. And a third environment is mixing between both, because you will have sometimes some projects that mixes between both development approaches, where you will have a physical thing to deliver plus a piece of software or a piece of a program that you want to develop, or maybe building management system, maybe some virtual reality, metaverse, whatever, that those will be involved in your project. So our new material will be covering all of those areas, and definitely considering the latest exam content outline proposed by the PMI, which has been released to the market in 2021. So if you are taking the material, now you are comfortable that you are taking the latest updated one. If you know any other guys or ladies who's taking the PMP, please let them know that, or discuss with them to make sure that they are also taking the latest material. If not, just advise them that they need to cover such material.